Hey, what's up guys? We're back. We're still prepping Klaus for the ice cream cruise here in like 72 hours. Still a lot to do. But I think right now I'm going to get started with the Motion Raceworks parachute kit. My wife actually got me that for my birthday, which was pretty awesome of her. So it's right here. It's a universal build your own kit. So there's lots of cutting, lots of welding, all kinds of good stuff like that. And got the parachute right in here. I've never had anything with the parachute before or ran it, so I don't really know how we're going to. There's some instructions kind of online to give you a general idea, but we're gonna go ahead and I think I'm going to mount it. It comes with this big bar. I'm gonna run it from here to right here and then mount it off of that instead of just mounting it right here, because I just don't want something sticking out even farther right there, and I don't think it'll be strong enough. That way if I put it here to here, I can like weld onto this plate as well as welding on to the tube itself, and I think that'll just make it stronger. It'll help out a little bit more. Could be an overkill, I don't know, but that's my plan and I'm gonna stick to it, I think, if it works right. So I got my tools, got everything ready. Big shout out to Motion Raceworks for hooking me up on this. So I'm gonna go ahead, get started at it. We'll see you in just a minute. So I got the pipe cut that I'm gonna put. I got all the paint moved away from this right here. And unfortunately my hole saw was not cutting through the pipe, so we gotta do it the ghetto way, make it work. Shouldn't be too big of a problem, so I'll have all this to weld to underneath. Shouldn't be a problem at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started welding. So I got it kind of cut up and mocked up right now. Not finished welds, kind of sloppy welds, but it's gonna be all right once I get it all done here. Got welded through here, got welds underneath here, welds underneath there. Cut this up, got welds here. Everything's not the prettiest looking right now, not horrible, but I'll clean it up and make it look better. I got this just tacked in right now, so it's nice and vertical and level. So then I got to drill a hole through here. It'll go straight through the bottom all the way, and that will have a bolt and nut go through it, so that way you can slide this in and out and take it off when you're not using it. So I have to screw that, and then after that, this is going to be real fun to get this managed to put it right there, have it looking really well. That's going to be fun to do. Then once I have that done, just kind of cleaning up the welds, finishing up the welds, because a lot of them are just tacked, and pop on the parachute and one in the cable to the handle up front. So now, yes, just gonna drill a hole in that and get to it. All right, guys, I have it mostly tacked up right now. This is tacked in. I drilled the hole, ran the bolt through it, and it seems like it's gonna be pretty strong already. Now I have to put up this plate that's right there in the way. This big old bad boy's got to go here and make sure it's nice. So I'll probably tack it up, pull it apart, put some finish welds on it, and then once I have that done, I can put the parachute on, and then the rest of the stuff. I got Mike here for moral support. He's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure this out and get this tacked up. All right, we're back. So I have the parachute all welded up right here, nice. Ben helped me. We drilled this. We got the parachute mount and this whole package put together. Parachute's laying over there because it's spring loaded and shot all over the place. And I don't know how to pack a parachute or get this put back up. So my buddy Ben right here is looking up the video on how we wrap all this crap up, the spring that's laying over there, and put it all back over there. So we're gonna keep working on that right now. And then I'll have to grind some of this, do some more welding because it's all tacked up, and then I have to mount the handle, which is this Motion Raceworks nice handle right here, and the cable for it, which is laying down there. And then as soon as I get all that done, we'll be done for the night. So I'm gonna keep working on that. All right, we got it. So we had to watch the video from Doug from Motion Raceworks on how to pack a parachute. It is not fun. I see people doing it by themselves. We had me and Ben doing it. I mean, first timers here. What are you doing? Oh my God, it's gonna hit me, isn't it? Going through here. So yeah, we're still trying, but we got the parachute mounted. We got it packed. And now I'm gonna work on the cable and the release mechanism going into the car, which will be a lot more work. Oh my God, you're gonna hurt all of us in here, aren't you? Remember, that spring loaded, you could get hurt.
We're like 30% sure this is good.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Solid.
Yeah, something like that. We're gonna mount it kind of maybe something better than that, but it'll be close to that. I might run the line like up here and run it through to get a little bit, but that'll be close enough. And then I'm gonna get this handle mounted right here, so that way when I think I'm gonna do it like that, mount it on the top, so then I can just take it and push it forward like that, and it'll release the chute. Oh my God, don't make that blow up in our face. Yeah, that is not fun. They say it's a one-person job.
It could be.
2 monkeys doing it by themselves is really hard to do. But hopefully, I can get it by myself. I don't know. What the heck was that?
Some noise. We're good.
All right, so yeah, we got it packed. We got it. That's how about it's gonna be. I have to grind some welds. I need to re-weld a bunch of crap, but it's tacked up. I just wanted to make sure I didn't need to cut stuff up. But it's looking really good. I like how far it is from the car, or how close it is, whatever you want to call it. We got the bolt going through it. Looks like it should be good. And then now we're gonna work on the mount, and I'll check back with you when we have the mount done. All right, guys, we did it. We are parachute ready, I think. I mean, I didn't test it because, you know, Klaus is not ready to do 150 and pull the parachute, but we have it ran right here. You can see, got this little nice thing right here, remove before flight. We got it packed. We have the cable cut for this. It goes right up around here, runs up along our system, and then goes right over here. So I'll walk around the side, and I kind of like the setup actually. It fits me pretty well. It might not fit other people pretty well, but it's my car, so I think it fits pretty well. Ugh. So we go right here. Here is the nice, wonderful Motion Raceworks handle right here. So it's fully locked right there. I'll grab it, I pull it, and it goes all the way to up here, which releases the mount, and the parachute just pops out because it is a spring-loaded parachute, so it shoots out the back. And I'm not going to do it again right now because I suck at loading it, and it literally took me like 10 to 15 minutes to properly roll it up and pack it and put it back in. So I found that mistake because I did it before and I was really close to it, and I was like, oh hey, what's this do? And popped out, hit me in the face because of the spring, and not a good thing. And so thank you, Doug from Motion Raceworks. He showed me how to pack it up properly and do it. They make great videos, so make sure you go on Motion Raceworks website and look that up. But I'm not gonna pop open the parachute right now because it just really sucks loading it. And he says it only sucks because I haven't done it so much. But guess what? I haven't done it so much, so I'm not gonna pull it again. But we got it ran really nice right now, so it's looking good. So tomorrow we are going to work on the coilover system tomorrow. We have these wonderful bespoke handcrafted Fortune Auto coilover system for Klaus tomorrow, which is going to help him squat when we launch and just take off. So that'll be great. We got the parachute, and then all we have left is to work on the tune, which that's a touchy subject because there's just something wrong with it all the time, but we will get it worked out. I did test today that Klaus will, as crappy as his tune is, will still do a burnout. So I'll be able to do the burnout contest maybe and have some fun with the car. Supposed to race Cletus. I don't know if that's going to happen because the car is in a complete mess right now, but we're going to try. I'm going to do whatever I can to get the car ready. We're taking 3 sets of tires. I got a burnout tire, I got a normal driving tire, I have the party shoes tires, which are, oh man, I don't even think you guys have seen that one yet. Let me grab my phone and show you. It is right over here outside. So let me turn the light on because I don't think I've shown anyone yet. Oh hey, never mind. Not gonna work because there's no juice. But here they are. I'll put them in the light. We got these amazing Jegs wheels. They're only like $100 a piece. These are 15 by 10.5. Big wheels right here. And to put down the sticky goodness, I have these Mickey Thompson MT drag radials. These are 29 inches tall by 10.5 inches wide. These are some big boys. They should give us all the sticky that we need to put the power down. That's if I ever put the power down, because this tuning is a freaking nightmare. There's something wrong with the car. Whoever said building race cars is fun and easy was a liar. But what can you do? We're having fun with it. So the parachute works, everything's mounted up. I just got to clean up some welds, re-weld some stuff, and then paint it. You guys don't need to see that. You know how it goes. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and end off the video here. That's 2 videos I think we shot today, and then tomorrow I will shoot the other video of the coilovers, and we'll put them in a series, one after another. And then hopefully we have the car running great for the ice cream cruise. Who knows if it is, if not, he's still going. We're going to do burnouts. We're going to have fun. We're going to do whatever we can to just get the car out there. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Have a good one.